Hi, I'm Frankie Salenza, cooking show host and lover of pasta.
I'm Chef Magnus, and I pretty much eat everything.
Today, culinary whiz kid Magnus is gonna school me in the kitchen by watching a recipe video and then explaining it to me step by step.
Ketchup, I think. Now it's dough. Oh, that feels smushy. Cheese. Now they're putting pepperoni on. It looks good.
The catch is that I don't know the recipe Magnus is watching, and I have to follow all of his directions to the T. Let's see how close to the original we can get. Hi, Magnus.
Hi.
I'm Frankie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. So do you like to cook things?
I love to cook things a lot.
So I hear you have a favorite sport.
My favorite sport is jiu-jitsu.
Do you have the ready position?
It's this way.
This is wrong?
That's wrong.
Well, I'm not a very good fighter, but luckily I'm pretty good in the kitchen. So let's cook something.
All right.
What are we gonna do? What's the first step?
We have to get this big thing.
You want me to carry that?
Yes.
Okay. It's looking like maybe we're making some sort of a dessert.
Nope. What's this?
That looks like ketchup.
I think it's tomatoes. Yeah. We're gonna use like that bowl in the middle, and then we're gonna put this in it. Can you help me, please?
Sure.
Wow, this is like new.
I would hope so.
What?
How much do you think we need?
That much.
How much? The right amount. Put in some salt?
Yeah.
You wanna try it first?
No.
No?
Okay, I think that's it.
Okay.
Now we're like gonna mix it. Could you help me?
Of course.
All right, we probably need to put a little bit more salt and pepper because there's like not that much.
All right. I hope it's not too salty. You know, we can always add it at the end, but you can't take it away.
Wait, no, we can't add it at the end because like it would not work.
All right, I have no idea what's going on. I love it. What's next? All right, we have our sauce. It's all mixed up. We've got salt and
Right.
pepper. What now?
It's gonna be this dough. And we're gonna have to use this on here because it's like kind of messy. Oh, it smells so good.
You know what that is?
Dough?
It's yeast.
What's yeast?
It's what made it rise up. It's alive.
Well, I'm gonna squeeze it to death now. Okay. It's gonna be so yummy.
I don't doubt that for a second. Okay?
Okay, that looks perfect. Now we just have to do
The same thing
here.
there.
But first, I need to find some cheese.
It's probably this one. Want to smell it?
Ugh.
So what do you think? Small ones or big ones?
Small.
Small ones? Like this?
No.
Really?
I don't think that's the right cheese. It could not be.
So we have the wrong cheese.
I'm sure we do.
Maybe we missed something. This is mozzarella cheese.
We need that.
That's the one.
I'm sure that's gonna work. The cheese doesn't look like in the video. I'm just gonna try it. So you have to sprinkle it all over.
Cheese first.
Yes. We need sauce on all of these.
The sauce goes on top of the cheese?
No, it was supposed to go under. So we could put sauce on top and then we could put more cheese.
Okay. I'm okay with that.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
The little ones go on the little ears, but no big ones on these ears.
Hey, Magnus, why do you keep calling them ears? They look like pizzas to me.
I don't know. All right.
Like that?
Yeah, we're done with the pepperoni. We're gonna put it in the oven now. All right, I can't wait to see what it looks like.
All right. How long do you think it needs in there?
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yeah?
What are we gonna do with all that time?
Go. Go.
I declare a dumb war. Go. How about you show me that first position of jujitsu?
Do it. Oh my God.
Doing exactly what you said.
Ay, ay, ay. You're bad at dancing.
Doom, doom. I think our pizza's ready, Magnus.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You hungry? Mm-hmm. Okay, let me get it. All right, that looks good. So, what do you think? Does that smell good?
Yeah.
So this is our pizza. Should we see the original? I think we did a pretty good job. Give me a high five. I can tell you what I see though. This is looking sort of like a Chicago deep dish style pizza. And ours looks like it's a little bit more doughy, but you know what? I like dough. So what's the name of the dish, Magnus?
A giant Mickey Mouse pizza roll.
I think we should try them. Take a little piece. I think we should try the actual one now. See if it tastes any different.
I like this.
You like ours better? Do you think that having it in the shape of Mickey Mouse makes it taste better?
Yes.
I think it's time for you to give me a grade.
I think you did a good job
How should I improve?
listening better.
My mother's been telling me that my whole life. But listen, I'll cook with you anytime you want. I think you're a great chef.
Yes! What the? How did this get here?
You just did that.
No! Oh, yeah.